Hello folks, welcome back. 8 days ago we did a video on setting up a cell builder for our queen rearing this year. We'll be doing several of them throughout the year. This was kind of a let's get kind of warmed up to the year type of thing. Did a little bit of grafting. We grafted some into some JZBZ cups, and we did some grafting into some NUCs cups. Put them down in the cell builder. The next day we came up and showed where we pulled them up, and I did a lot better with the JZBZ cups. They had a lot better acceptance for me than with the NUCs cups. And like I said in that video, I really like the NUCs cups because I can put the roller cages on them. If I don't get them all set into NUCs before they emerge, at least they will emerge into the roller cages. Nurse bees will take care of them. It just kind of gives you an option that I don't have with the JZBZ cups. So today we're going to run up. We're going to pull the cell bars up, see how many of them did they finish. These will be completely finished and sealed queen cells by now. So we need to figure out how many did they actually finish so we know how many NUCs to set up. So let's run on up and take a quick look. Okay, it's been exactly 1 week since I put the grafts in here. So we're going to see now how many of them have they finished. How many of them have they actually completely developed and then capped over queen cells. Just a little bit of smoke. They're coming out of there pretty good today. Just enough to kind of cover up any alarm pheromone. We'll move kind of slow. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We actually got 7. I thought we only had 6. If we can get those up to the camera there. Got 7 cells out of 10 with the JZBZ cups. Beautiful. Thought there was only 6. Actually, it's been 8 days since I've done these grafts, not 7. And we got, see, 2 beautiful cells with the NUCs cups. I need to make, see, 9 NUC boxes up now. Well, actually probably 8. I'm going to leave one of them in this box. I'll probably pull a couple frames of bees out of this one, but this will be one of them that the queen will emerge in. We're just going to go ahead and button these girls back up for the time being. Just let them settle back down. Looks like they did a very good job. Those were really nice looking queen cells. So now we go on to let's start making our splits and getting our nuke boxes set up. Well, there you go, folks. Looks like I did a little bit better than I thought with the JZBZ cups. I ended up with 7 beautiful big queen cells. We still got the 2 with the NUCs cups. Not sure what I'm doing wrong with the NUCs. There seems to be an acceptance problem. Gonna have to work with it a little bit more. I tend to do better with the JZBZ. I don't know if it's something I'm doing or what it is. Anyway, we got some really nice queen cells, so we're gonna start making our splits. We're having a lot of cool weather here for the middle of April here in southern Ohio, so we're going to have to make sure our splits are pretty strong. We're looking at 3 to 4 frames, lots of bees so they stay nice and warm. The queen cells are at a very delicate stage in their development right now, so you got to be real careful. You don't want to shake these things, move them around too much. Give them a couple more days and they'll be ready to ease right down into those queenless splits. The queens will emerge directly into the queenless splits. Instant acceptance. A few days later, they'll start kind of looking around, start doing orientation flights, start going on mating flights. So these girls should be doing mating flights right at the first of the month. So give us a few weeks, we'll be able to start pulling frames and looking for a laying queen. We're going to follow along, see how many of them actually do make it out and back successfully, and kind of follow these girls as they start heading up their NUCs and then moved into full-size hives this year. Really appreciate everybody following along. We get a lot of feedback on these videos. Seems like everybody's really enjoying them. If there's something in particular you want to see, just give us a shout, and we'll keep making more of them. See you next time.